When it comes to generational wealth, the biggest risk isn't market volatility, it's structural exposure. Welcome to Advanced Trust Structuring. At its core, a trust is a simple legal arrangement. It separates the legal ownership of an asset from its beneficial use, creating a barrier between your wealth and the outside world. But not all barriers are created equal. The most common tool is the revocable trust. It bypasses probate and offers total flexibility. You can change it at any time. But because you retain control, creditors can still reach those assets. To build a true fortress, you need an irrevocable trust. By permanently transferring assets out of your estate, you create an ironclad shield against lawsuits, creditors, and estate taxes. The catch: you must give up direct control.